Okay guys, welcome to another interesting Python course video from me, Faisal from Pycoders Academy. So in our previous video, we learned about print function and how to print out data types, various data types. We learned about how to print out variables. So we want to print the content in the variable. Yeah, we learned about it. So today we'll be treating working with int data type. So like how to use the int data type. So we can add them, we can subtract them, we can multiply them, we can do all the mathematical operations. So in math we just use the operators plus, minus, multiple sign. So let's see something. So let's say we want to add two values, let's say 2 and 3. So to add them we just use the plus operator, so 2 plus 3. But when you write this, you won't get any output. Why? Because we are not printing it out. So I have to bring the print. So print of this. Okay. So let's run this code. Okay, voila. So we got 5. So that's the output of this code. Then we can try subtracting. So let's subtract. We got -1, which is correct. We can try division 6. So in division we have two divisions. The first one is float output. So that's the single one like this. So the single one in the second single one we get a single a float output. So this is the float output. So 2.0, since it's a decimal, it's a float. Then if you use the 2 division we get a int output. So let's see. Yeah, so 2. So that's the int output. So we can do more operators like modulus. Modulus is just the remainder from a division. So let's say after dividing 6 by 3, you get a 0 remainder. So let's see. Let's run this code. So you can see we have a 0 remainder, which is correct. We can find the exponent, which is 2 stars. So let's run this code. So 216, which is correct. So we have worked with all the operators. Maybe we have worked with all the operators, the basic ones. So you can find the advanced ones in maybe Google or YouTube. So next we will look at how to save it in a variable and run it. So let's say a result, a variable name result equals, let's say this code says star 3. Then when passing a variable inside, we just put it in the parenthesis. So result, then we print it out. So you can see we got the same answer. So we can actually do the calculation inside the variable, then print out the result, like the result from the variable. So here I think we are done with the operations. Now let's move on to how to convert let's say strings to, or how to convert float to int. So let's see something. So we have a float like 4.56. So we want to convert into int so that we can use it. So let's see, convert equals, so we are assigning it to a variable name convert. So I have to bring my equals sign. So let's say convert equals 4.56, but you have to convert it to int. So this is a float. So converting it to int, we just use the int function. The int function. Okay. So to see what the int is doing, we just print the convert out, the variable name convert. So let's run this code. So we got 4. So the integer of 4.56 is 4, as we know, the integer. So we can turn float into int by using the int function. Okay. So let's move on to the next video.